Don't waste food. A short moral story. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Alex. He loved eating snacks, but cookies were his favorite. One day, his mom baked a delicious batch of cookies, especially for him. Alex was so excited that he started eating them one after other. However, Alex's mom noticed that he had taken more cookies than he could finish. She reminds him that it's important not to waste food and take only what he could finish eating. Alex realized his mistake and felt sorry. From that day forward, Alex made a habit of taking only few cookies. He understood that wasting food is not only carelessness but also meant that someone could have enjoyed those cookies instead. Moral: we should be always careful how much food we take and make sure to finish it. This helps us to avoid wasting food and teaches us to appreciate the value of food. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.